After culinary school, I intend to apply for a cook in one of our hotels here, or probably have my own catering service or have my own restaurant.
After graduating here in Global Academy, I want to pursue my catering service business that will in line with my events place business.
I actually have baking business already, so I want to pursue it. Especially I have all the learnings that I earned from the school. It's the best part, and I'm happy that I've learned a lot so I can share it with other people, because I plan to also have the short courses so I can also teach other people without going to like a big school if they cannot afford it.
Just like what I told them last night before the start of the service, just to work efficiently and just to work fast and always to keep their workstations clean, but don't forget to have fun at the same time.
Being a chef is difficult, but it takes a lot of courage to be one. And I believe I would see everyone inside the kitchen again.
To my instructors, I want to thank them for all the knowledge, wisdom that they have given us. And I will never forget all the values that they taught us.
I want to thank the chefs of Global Academy for molding us on who we are right now, for sharing us their time and skills with us, and for being patient with all our mishaps and all those things that happen in the kitchen.
For the future students of Global Academy, I wish them good luck, and they will be having a great time here in Global Academy.
Have the prize for themselves, prize from the schools for being passionate, have this integrity, reliability, and also commitment and excellence in everything that they can.
For the future students of Global Academy, just hold on to your dreams, go on, whatever happens while you're studying at culinary school, just go on, persevere, follow your dreams.
Hey guys, Lika here of Global Academy. I would like to invite you to subscribe to our YouTube channel. For more videos of recipes and updates about our school, copy and paste the link in the description on your web browser.